Hello and welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day and today I thought I would make a Valentine's Day themed treat. My channel name is Doodle Bake Create, but I haven't posted any baking videos yet. Even though this treat isn't really something that you bake, you just kind of like warm it up, I still thought it was the perfect Valentine's Day treat. This is a super easy and simple recipe that I'm going to be using today. Today I'm going to be making Valentine's Day caramel pretzel bites. The recipe that I'm using today is from Together as a Family. I will link the recipe in the description box down below in case you wanted to try their recipe as well. I have all of my ingredients ready over here, all Valentine's themed of course. This is, I think, such a perfect and easy treat because you can also really do it for any holiday. All that you would have to do is change the colors to make it fit any season or any holiday. It's a really simple, easy treat, and so I'm super excited to do a video today making that. The ingredients that I'm going to be using today are Valentine's Day M&Ms, the Betty Crocker Valentine's Day mix of sprinkles, Rolos, and Snyder's pretzels. These are the snaps, the big square sizes. I also have two different ways to display the caramel bites. Both of these were from Dollar Tree. This one is more of a to-go container, and this one is kind of like a tray that you could set them out in. I hope that they turn out really cute and really delicious, and I'm so excited to be doing my first ever baking video. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first things that I need are a cookie sheet and parchment paper. I'm gonna set the cookie sheet down and put the parchment paper to the size that I need. Cut this a little bit to fit. Okay, now I'm gonna place my pretzels onto the parchment paper. I don't think the Rolo is gonna melt much wider than the pretzel is, so I think we should be good to space them out like this. Okay, this should be good for our first batch. Next, it says to unwrap all the Rolo candies and put one on each pretzel. Okay, 100 years later, I finally have all of the Rolos on my pretzels. I can't find anything about what to preheat the oven to on the one recipe. I found another and it recommended 300, so I'm gonna preheat my oven to 300 just so it melts that chocolate. Preheat to 300. While I wait, I'm gonna open my other ingredients and my sprinkles so I have them ready. It sounds like once you take them out of the oven, you need to work pretty quickly to get the M&Ms and the sprinkles on top. So I'm just gonna get that prepped so that I have it all ready. I'm also going to unwrap more Rolos during that time since that took so long. My oven is preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm gonna put these in for 4 minutes and let them cook just on the top shelf of my oven. Set my timer for 4 minutes. Okay, the timer just went off, so they are all ready to take out of the oven. Take a look. Oh yeah, I can definitely tell chocolate's all melted. They look ready for M&Ms. Perfect. It smells so good. It smells like a chocolate factory in here. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Okay, and now I'm going to put one M&M on each. They slid around. Okay, Valentine's shawl has to come off for this. Don't want to get it chocolatey. Time. Okay, all of the M&Ms are on. I'm going to use these heart sprinkles on this side. I have it open and ready. I just think those will be the cutest hearts for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to sprinkle those on and hopefully they will stick. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I might do, wow, that used, okay. I guess I'm gonna do different ones for different. I might use some of the pink. Yeah, that looks cute. They turned out so cute. Oh my gosh. Let me show you. Oh my gosh. I wish I could show you how good it smells in here. It just smells absolutely amazing. I'm gonna let these cool for probably about like 20 minutes and we will do a taste test and see how they are. I'll get another batch going in the oven, get those melting. I already have my Rolos prepped, thank goodness. So I'll get that going and then we'll put them on the little tray and see how they turned out. Oh, I'm so excited. They're so festive. They turned out so cute. Okay, yay. They're all done and ready. They ended up needing to cool for like 2 hours. I don't know why I thought it was only to take 20 minutes. Melted chocolate takes a really long time to cool. So they're finally done. They look beautiful. I think they're just so festive and fun. I'm gonna do a taste test. I did try a couple when they were out of the oven just because it was so warm. The caramel and the chocolate is so delicious when it's nice and warm, and the M&M is still like crunchy. I'm gonna taste test one so that I can show you guys here. It's so good. It is so perfect. The crunchiness of the pretzel plus the like gooey chocolate and caramel and then the M&M and the sprinkles, like it's the perfect sweet with a little bit of salty from the pretzel and then that crunchiness too. Perfect. This was so easy. They are just so festive and so fun. This was such a fun thing to make. It was so simple. Literally 4 ingredients. So simple. I only preheated my oven to 300 degrees. They only baked for 4 minutes. The cooling was, I definitely think, the most like inconvenient thing to do just because I had to wait and I was feeling very impatient. I really think this is so fun because you could use these for any holiday. I really love the pastel M&Ms that come out around Easter. And I think that this would be perfect with Easter sprinkles too. You could use the rainbow pastel M&Ms as well. This is the perfect treat for bringing into like a work party, or if you have a lot of people that you want to make a treat for. This is a super simple and easy way to make a lot. It is bite-sized, so I did make 2 batches. They are perfect for in like a to-go container if you want to take them anywhere. And then I'm also going to put some in this little tray here. Like I said, the recipe that I used will be down in the description with the directions and things. I hope that you guys enjoyed my first ever baking video. I know this kind of didn't really count as baking. It was kind of more like heating up chocolate, but I still kind of think it is like creating something nonetheless and making a fun treat for the holidays. Baking for the holidays is my most favorite. I love doing like seasonal treats and things. If you guys want to see more baking videos, let me know. If you liked this video, let me know by leaving a like, comment, or subscribing for more. I hope that you have a very happy Valentine's Day. If you try this recipe, be sure to let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching.